Okay, coming to you with another quick review. And this is a new conditioner that I bought, and I was interested in it because it was cheaper than a lot of other conditioners that I get. And this is Elasta QP Intense Fortifying Conditioner Treatment. This is how the bottle looks. It was $3.29 in my local hair store. Okay, it says fortifies and conditions, leaving hair incredibly soft, silky smooth with great body movement and shine. Perfect for all hairstyles, leaving hair texture feeling like silk while reducing breakage, dryness, or frizz. It does that. It does that. I used this after I clarified my hair with washing it with African black soap. And you know, if you've ever used that, your hair is very, very dry after it. Feel like hay, like you just sticking your hand in like a hay pile or something. It says advanced vitamin rich organic formula infuses healing restorative conditioners and moisturizers that strengthen hair deep inside. Now it is other stuff to the line. I actually heard about Elasta QP through YouTube. I know it's been around for years, but the first thing that I had from the line was the olive oil and mango butter moisturizer. It was okay. It didn't do too much for my hair. I have very thick hair, and this is a thicker consistency. It's gone. Yeah, if I buy a product, I'm going to use it. It's gone. It's just a little corner left in there. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. But it's okay. Of a moisturizer, it's just the way my hair is. It sucks up moisture. So even if I seal on top of this, next morning still be dry. But it was okay. It smells really good. It smells really good. So if you're into smells, yeah, that's a good moisturizer for you to try. But anyway, I'm getting off subject. There's other stuff to buy, and I also got this, which was the same price, $3.29, which I showed in a previous video, and it's an oil moisturizer anti-breakage, and it's okay. Like I said, my hair moisturizers not all that well, but the line is very vitamin enriched, and it has vitamins A, B2, C, D, E, F, H, and K. So if that's not enough vitamins for you, I don't know. You need to just add a multivitamin to your hair conditioners or something. But yeah, it's coconut oil in it. All the vitamins I just named. Olive fruit oil, avocado oil, hydrolyzed silk. Let's see, mint balm, extract, panax ginseng root extract, biotin, vitamin H, which helps promote healthy hair growth. Little off subject. Okay, it says to use after shampooing, apply it, massage it in from roots to ends, gently comb through evenly to distribute, rinse for dry hair, leave in for 10 minutes using plastic cap, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Yep. And like I said, I really like this. especially for the price. $3.29 is half the price of my other deep conditioner, and it works just as well for me. And I would compare this to the olive oil organic root stimulator replenishing pack. I would compare it. And this is 12 fluid ounces. And this is 12.25 fluid ounces. So it's only a little bit bigger. But this is almost half the price. This was $3.29. This was $5.99. So that's $6 basically. Almost half the price. Almost half the price. Almost. Almost doesn't count. But it's almost half the price. Saving you a good couple of dollars. And it says 50% more free. So I'm guessing there may be a smaller bottle than this out there. No animal testing. Olive oil, coconut oil, organic extracts, and vitamin instantly detangle and protect hair from damage. I did feel that way because, like I said before, I put it in my hair, it was like straw. What I used to wash it with. Made in the USA in Savannah, Georgia. Go ahead. Yes, if you are a product junkie and you don't have this, this is a very good product. You don't have to take my word for it. I only have very coarse hair. Goodbye, you guys. Intense, 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 intense.